Hey guys, my awesome Campbell Hausfield 2 horsepower, 20-gallon compressor. This is a belt drive compressor as opposed to direct drive, so it's super reliable. Let's start her up. So you can see it's a twin piston calibration on there. It's on a direct belt drive, and you see the housing is perfect. All your directions there. The tank as well is in super great shape. Notice the tank, and I'm throwing in 20 feet of hose. And she makes pressure good. And we'll just pause the video for a second and see those. Notice how nice and quiet she is, and I just changed the oil. And there she is, out to pressure. We're at 100 psi. You can set it for more if you want. If you want to open the pressure controls, really up to you. This unit will put out 7.8 psi at, or CFM at 40 psi, and 6.3 at 90. It's a good unit. So if you want a nice compressor and a 20-gallon tank, nice wheels, no leaking, in great cosmetic shape, direct drive or belt drive, that's what you want. Send me a text, email, or phone call, guys. Thanks.